Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all doing well. In this video, we will discuss about Paramecium, also try its figure. Now, what is Paramecium? Its scientific name is Paramecium, phylum Coleophora, order Penicillida, family Paramecidae, clade SAR. In Paramecium, locomotion mainly occurs by movement of cilia hair. We also draw its ciliary movement figures that are cilia. It can move forward and backward due to cilia. While moving forward, cilia strongly move from interior to posterior. Similarly, for backward movement, cilia strongly move from posterior to interior. Its family belongs to Paramecidae. Now we will talk about cell membrane of Paramecium. Paramecium wears a soft armor called pellicule. The body of the Paramecium cell is enclosed by a stiff but elastic membrane called pellicule. Pellicule is made up of a thin gelatinous substance produced by the cell. The layer of the pellicule gives the Paramecium a definite shape and good protection of its cell content. What is the digestion of Paramecium? Digestion in Paramecium, food is digested in food vacuole by the digestive enzymes released by cytoplasm, in which all the contents are seen. Digestion in Paramecium is termed as intracellular digestion, not extracellular. Absorption देख लेते हैं. The digested food present in the food vacuole of Paramecium is absorbed directly into the cytoplasm by diffusion. Function देख लेते हैं Paramecium का. Paramecia feed on microorganisms like bacteria, algae and yeasts. To gather food, the Paramecium makes movements with cilia to sweep prey organisms along with some water through the oral groove, vestibulum or vestibule, and into the cell. Characteristics देख लेते हैं Paramecium के कि Paramecium के characteristics क्या है. अभी ऑलमोस्ट हमारा Paramecium जो है वो रेडी होने लगा है. अब सीलिया जो है वो हम ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं जिससे कि इंट्रासेलुलर फूड की डाइजेशन और Paramecium की जो मूवमेंट है वो सीलिया के थ्रू होती. अब हम इसके कुछ करेक्टरिस्टिक्स हैं जो देख लेते हैं जो सीलिया को दूसरी ऑर्गेनेलिज से डिफ्रेंशिएट करती हैं. Paramecia are single-celled protists that are naturally found in aquatic habitats. They are typically oblong or slipper-shaped and are covered with short hairy structures called cilia. Certain Paramecia are also easily cultured in labs and serve as useful model organisms. Is Paramecia harmful to humans? Now discuss, are Paramecium dangerous to humans? Although other similar creatures such as amoebas are known to cause illness, Paramecia do not live inside humans and are not known to cause any diseases. Paramecia have even been observed attacking and consuming pathogens from the human body. Now the question arises, is the shape of Paramecia fixed? Pellicule is made up of a thin gelatinous substance produced by the cell. The layer of pellicule gives the Paramecium a definite shape and good protection of its cell content. The pellicule is also elastic in nature, which allows the Paramecium to slightly change its shape. Now the question arises, does Paramecium respond to light? Specimens of colorless Paramecium multimicronucleatum were found to respond to visible light. The specimens showed a widening reaction upon both spatial and temporal increase in light intensity, step up photophobic response. Is Paramecium a parasite? All the protozoan species belong to the kingdom Protista. Some of the protozoan species are parasites and some are predators of Picaria and algae. Some examples of protozoans are dinoflagellates, amoebas, Paramecia and Plasmodium. Now we are labeling the diagram. We have seen food vacuole, cilia, interior contractile vacuole, micronucleus, also macronucleus, pellicule, which we are now discussing, posterior contractile vacuole, also cytoplast. How do Paramecium live? Once called slipper animalcules due to their oblong shape, Paramecium live in a variety of water environments, both fresh and salt. Although they are most abundant in stagnant bodies of water, cilia are able to move in coordinated way to propel a paramecium forward. As you can see, we have completed the diagram. Hope you like this video. Subscribe this channel, Learning Point, like this video, share this with your friends and family. Meet you soon in the next video. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.